Hello, freaks, geeks, degenerates, and basement dwellers. Welcome to the Warzone. I'm Scruffy, and this is Skruffytalez. And in this video, we will be taking a quick look at the Tomahawk that Ukraine might be provided with, because the news from Trump that he's considering this has gotten the Russians, and well, they're worried apparently. So let's take a look at it. So here we have that Donald Trump has officially announced that he is considering providing Ukraine with Tomahawks, but he needs to just find out how they intend to use them and stuff like that. I don't know. Maybe the Russians will find out what the Ukrainians intend to attack. But we see here that it's the Tomahawk with the 1,500-mile range. So depending on what the Ukrainians intend to use them against and stuff like that, they might receive them. And it seems to be the idea that the United States will sell them to NATO allies, and then the NATO allies can provide them to Ukraine in turn. And this is something that the Russians have picked up on. And here is this is from my Discord. One of my Discord members highlighted that this was a talking point on Russian Telegram channels. So the Russians are worried about the Tomahawks quite clearly, especially since we have here rumors that the Netherlands has requested permission to purchase a whole bunch of Tomahawks, as you can see here, various versions and numbers and what have you included. And the Russians are really worried about this, since the case they're making down here is if Ukraine starts using them relatively soon, that means they've been working on learning these systems for about a year, 6 months to a year. And that is proof that NATO is well and truly involved in this war. And as it says, it would be obvious that NATO forces will be directly involved in strikes against Russia. So the Russians are worried about this, especially this high number here from the Netherlands, and by no means one of the larger countries in NATO or Europe. So you can imagine what France and Germany, Norway, and what those countries might be up to if they start purchasing Tomahawks from the Americans. If this is true, I have no idea, but the fact that the Russians are worried should tell us something, that if these missiles do show up, it will have a tremendous impact on the war effort for the Russians. And let's head on over to a map to show you just how much of an impact we're talking about. And here we have a map from ISW, and highlighting how far a Tomahawk might reach into Russia if launched from Ukraine. And Trump seemed to be talking about the Tomahawk missile with a 1,500-mile range. And that would be this far, around 2,500 kilometers, or close to it. So interesting to say the least. I mean, you can see here, every dot is a known Russian military object, and then the airplanes are Russian military air bases. I mean, you can see here, if Ukraine gets 160 from the Netherlands, let's just pretend that's the case, I mean, they can blow up every one of these pins, every single one of them, right? Every known Russian military object and every known Russian military base. And you can then throw in some of these fancy airfields on top, or factories, I mean, on top of it, and oil refineries and what have you. I mean, and that is if the Netherlands can provide 160, then maybe the Germans can provide 200. The Norwegians might provide another 200, right? Yeah, it's really interesting, and now you understand why the Russians are so worried that all of a sudden maybe the Ukrainians can begin conducting deep strikes all over Russia. Now, Trump might tell the Ukrainians that they can't strike at air bases and stuff like that, such silly nonsense, but they will be allowed to attack crucial military infrastructure to some degree, and that will have an impact on the war. They can more than likely, they're gonna be able to hit logistics of some sort. They're gonna be able to strike at maybe not oil refineries, but oil depots and stuff like that, fuel depots. They will be able to use them deep within Russia against known targets. That will have an effect on the front line. And the Russians are rightfully worried about this. And hopefully the Americans will sell the Europeans a lot of these missiles and soon, so that Ukraine can begin launches against these important targets all over Russia. That would be something indeed. And I was about, this is added afterwards, by the way, since I just saw this over on my Discord, the people are discussing. This is from Discord. I will not take any responsibility for this being truthful or not, right? So the credibility of this is out the window. But I'm adding this anyway. So we have in the case of supplying Tomahawk missiles to Ukraine, they will be purchased in the USA and paid for by NATO countries. Washington is concerned that it will not be able to control their use in Ukraine. Interesting. And then we have this confirmed by the Ukrainian side. Ukraine will initially receive a limited batch of Tomahawk missiles, which won't be used to strike targets inside Russia, according to Yehor Chernyev, deputy chair of the Ukrainian Parliament's National Security and Defense Committee. So that previous map will not apply to the initial batch of Tomahawks, but just the fact that they can be used, like it says here, Washington is concerned that it will not be able to control their use in Ukraine. That means we have potential strikes deep within Russia coming, right? Real interesting. So there's how credible this is, if it's believable or not, I don't know, but it is what it is. Rumors online, and do with it what you will. Anyway, that's it. Quick edition. So that's gonna have to be it. So that's it. A short video about the Tomahawk and why the Russians are worried, and well, they should be worried. It certainly gives Ukraine a lot of options in taking out any target within Russia. There's a lot of questions. How will these be launched? Will they be launched by boats or from land? They will more than likely be launched from land. I mean, I don't think that should be too much of an issue. If these missiles can usually be launched from boat, why wouldn't you be able to put the launcher on land, right? But anyway, it's a real worry for the Russians, and should Ukraine get these, I hope they do, it will have an impact. It will shift the war in Ukraine's favor further still, and the Russians will begin to struggle conducting this war effectively. Anyway, that's it. As always, go på marsch, Ukraine, and give them hell.